A4 brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie, we're all here. Hi. Hello, Artie. Do you want to draw something really tasty today? Something I know you like to eat.
Okay.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
Yeah.
Today, Artie, we're going to draw a strawberry.
Yeah.
Go and find your marker pens.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
Nothing's gonna keep us apart. We're gonna watch the kid make art.
Nice rap, Mikey. Okay, let's start. We're going to draw a big, sort of heart shape, but with a pointed bottom. Now the right side. Perfect. Now along the top, we're going to draw all the little leaves that you see on the top of a strawberry. Very good job, Artie. It kind of looks like a banana. In fact, it looks like a little bunch of bananas on top of the strawberry. All right, we'll do another leaf. What do you think? Maybe just one more on the right-hand side? That's right. Great job. There. 4 leaves. Now let's do the stem. Do a big curve. Do a sort of circly bit at the top and then curve back down. That's a great stem, Artie. Let's do some thin lines in the middle of each one of the leaves.
Wow, this is amazing.
It's pretty amazing, Mikey. Now we're drawing the eyes. First the left one, and then the smaller right one. Let's do the pupils inside. Color them in nice and black. Right one first. Let's do the left one, Artie. That's right. A little oval and color it in nice and black. Great. Now, how about a smiley mouth? Do a nice curvy smiley mouth. What if he sticks his tongue out? Because strawberries taste so good. There we go. Dance break? Okay, let's have a dance break.
Dancing is fun. That's an interesting move.
Marvellous, darling. What marvellous. Absolutely marvellous. 10, no question. 10.
You always get a 10, Artie. You're a great dancer.
Okay.
Man, what a great dance break.
It sure was, Mikey. Okay, now, let's draw the little circles inside the strawberry. Lots of little circles, just to give that strawberry texture. Do you know what those circles are, Artie?
Well,
They're the seeds. That's how the strawberries grow. Did you know that? You learnt something today, Artie. Time for some arms and some silly strawberry hands. Often when we're drawing cartoons, it's better to just draw 4 fingers, or 3 fingers and a thumb to be exact. It just makes the hand easier to see. There you go, 3 fingers and a thumb.
This is making me so happy.
I was just thinking the exact same thing, Betty. Me too. Artie's drawing feet on the strawberry. I like his shoes, Artie. Nice thick soles to the shoes. Oh, that's a great idea. Yes, do some little stripes down the soles of the shoes. How about some shoelaces? There you go. Well, he looks finished to me. Is he done, Artie? Now we need to colour him in red.
Oh.
Strawberries are red. He's finished. I think you did a great job, Artie. I love his orange shoes and his green stalk.
Bye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Well, have an Artie day, everyone. And we'll say goodbye for now. Bye-bye.